So this question says the application layer and the internet layer are two layers in a 4-layer TCP IP model. You know the TCP stack, how I've got ATL, application, transport, internet, and link. All right. It's useful to plan your answers and think about how they work. All right. In your answer, oh wait a minute. Describe the roles each of the 4 layers in the TCP IP model. All right. So I want to know each of the roles. Now you've only got 6 marks to get here, so it's not really necessarily a discussion-based like essay-style question. You just need to know what they are. So what I would do is split up your answer. So once the roles of each of the layers. So go for application, transport, internet, and link. So I know I'm going to get all 4 now. All right. Now remember that the application layer is where the network applications operate. So where network applications operate. For example, an email client. Client may need to run here. All right. Now, what the transport layer does is it sets up the communication between the 2 hosts. It's like if I was to phone one of you, when it connects, it starts ringing, doesn't it? Yeah, that's pretty much what's happening there. It establishes the connection. It's like me plugging my phone into yours. Once it's done that, it then makes sure that that data is split into packets. Data is split into packets at this point. Now would be a good point to say you need to remember how data packets work and how packet switching works. Not here, but just remember that. All right. Now the internet layer will add the IP address to each packet. Remember, each packet has a payload. It has all the data, like who's got it, the number of packets, where it's going. Yeah, so they add the IP address to each packet and then route it to where it needs to go. Alright, so I make sure I've added all the correct information to each of the packet, then move it where it needs to go. Alright, now the link layer, alright, that is where the network hardware operates. Where the network hardware operates. Can anyone give me a piece of network hardware? That's the one I was looking for. Not the MAC address. That's an address of the hardware, which would be on the NIC. Yeah, which was said. Alright? So, where the network hardware operates, such as the network interface card. The reason why you don't write NIC is you need to show you understand it. After you've written the acronym next to your answer, you can continue using NIC after that. But you generally, when you're answering questions, say network interface card, then afterwards you can use NIC over and over again. The link layer is also where operating device drivers work. Right. Any questions about that one? No? Okay, I'll stop there.